Good morning, class. Today we are going to study the profit and loss. Depend on this chapter, we are going to study the exercise D. Okay, this exercise is mostly depend on the market price, list price, discount. That means basically it is depend on the discount. But in this exercise, we must have required the SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by SP. This formula, and again another one formula. CP is equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percent multiplied by SP. See, whenever there is profit, so there is a plus profit percent, and whenever there is a loss, that time minus. Here I have written only the profit. So profit formula I have written only small change is there. We have to what we have to do? Instead of plus, we have to take there the minus, and we will write there the loss percentage. Now see, we are going to study the first question. Question number 1. Question first. In first question, what you have to given? An article is marked for rupees 1300 and is sold for rupees 1144. Find the discount percent. We have to find the discount percent. Okay. See here, what we have to given the mark price. That means MD is given. Mark price is given. See now, first we will write the given thing. MD is given. MD means mark price. It will be the 1300, and we have to given the and sold for SP is given. Okay, so SP is given 1144. So we can find the discount. How much is the discount? Discount is equal to MP minus SP, which will be the 1300 minus 1144. So discount will be the 156. This will be the discount, and we have to find the discount in the percentage. Okay, so discount percent we have to find. Discount percentage, it will be the discount upon and discount percentage always find out with the MP multiply by 100. We have to find it percentage, so multiply by 100. So which will be the 156 upon 1300 multiplied by 100. So your discount will be the 12%. How much discount you have to given in that case? You have to given the 12% discount, and that you have to find. Now next question is given a wristwatch. Okay, a wristwatch is available at a discount of rupees 9%. If the list price of the watch is 1400, find the discount given and the selling price of the watch. So what thing we have to given, that we will write first. So list price is given. List price and MD is the same. Mark price and list price is the same. So here question number 3 I have taken. So list price is given. List price is equal to. List price is the 1400. Then discount is also given. How much is the discount? Discount is 9%. So discount is equal to, we can find the discount if it is given in the percentage. So 9% into 1400. That means 9 upon 100 into 1400. 20 can be cancelled. That is 14 into 9, which will be the 126 rupees. How much is the discount? Which will be the 126 rupees. So what we have to think? Find it there. Find the discount. So the next step. So which will be the selling price? Selling price is equal to list price minus discount. List price minus discount. Selling price, list price is how much? Which will be the 1400, and discount is 126 rupees. So here it will be the 1274. So how much is the selling price? Which will be the 1274. After that we will see the next problem. Question number 5 we will see. A shopkeeper buys an article for rupees 450. He marks it at 20% above the cost price. मतलब उसने कितनी मार्क प्राइस कितनी लगाई? 20% अबोव. ओके, CP जितना था उससे 20% अबव. So find first thing mark price of the article. मार्क प्राइस फाइंड करनी है. उसके बाद सेलिंग प्राइस इफ ही सेल्स द आर्टिकल 10% डिस्काउंट. उसके बाद सेलिंग प्राइस भी फाइंड करनी है 10% डिस्काउंट पे. एंड थर्ड वन अ परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट गिवन बाय हिम इफ ही सेल्स द आर्टिकल फॉर ₹496.80. Okay, so first we have to given here the CP. Okay, CP is given. Now next problem we are taking. The next question is here. Question number 5 we are taking. Okay, first we will see the question number 5. See now in question number 5 what thing you have given? CP is given here. Okay, first we will write the given thing. CP is equal to given 450. You can see in the question. So CP will be the 450. So then we can find the market price. Market price is above the market price. We have to given which will be the how much 20% above. That means 100 plus 20 upon 100 multiplied by SC multiplied by CP, which will be the 450. Okay, so here directly we can write 540. So how much is the market price? Market price we have got it 540. Now see, we have to find the discount. How much discount we have to given? Discount is equal to which will be the 10%. That means 10 upon 100 multiplied by MP. So which will be 10 upon 100 and MP is 540. 540. So your 54 rupees. This is your discount. So we got the discount also. We have calculated it. 20 cancel. So 54 rupees is the discount. Now after that we have to find the third thing, the percentage discount. The percentage discount given by him if he sells the article for ₹496.80. Okay, so here first we will find out the SP. How to find the SP? So SP is equal to MP minus discount. MP minus discount, and MP is equal, we have find out 540 and discount is 54. So which will be the 486. How much? 486. Now we got the SP is the 486. Now we will find the third thing. Okay, second we have got it here. This is the first thing, and then third thing we are going to find. The third thing will be the SP is given. If SP is the 496.80, okay, and MP we know which will be the 540. So we have to find the discount. So we can find in this case the discount will be the discount is equal to 540 minus 496.80. So discount will be the 43.20. 43.20. So we can find the discount in percent. Discount percent, which will be the 43.20. How much is the MP? MP will be the 540 because discount always find out with related to the market price, whatever market price is there, and multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. You can do this calculation. So which will be the 8%? How much? Which will be the 8%? How much discount is there? 8%. Okay. So after that we will see the next problem. Now we will see the question number 7. An article is marked at ₹2,250 by selling in at the discount of 12%. Discount of the 12%. The dealer makes a profit of ₹10%. So find the selling price of the article, cost price of the article for the dealer. Okay, two things we have to find. Okay, so clearly here you have to given the market price. Okay, so first given thing. First always whenever you have to given any question, that time you must have to concentrate on that thing. What thing you have to given in the question. Okay, so and then you have to get the understand the meaning of the question. See now, here you have to given the market price is given. Question 7. Market price is given 2,250. Then SP is given. Discount is 12%. Discount is how much? 12%. So you can write discount is equal to 12%. So SP is equal to 2250 minus 100 minus 12 upon 100. Okay. So 12% discount. That's why I have written here 100 minus 12 is equal to 2250 upon 100 into 88. So your SP will be the 1980. SP will be the 1980 after doing this calculation. Okay. Now, so SP is 1980 and profit is you have to given. Now this is the first case. You have find out in the first case. Now second case, SP is 1980. Profit is 10%. Profit is 10%. So you have to find the CP. What you have to find? CP is equal to. We know the formula how to find the CP. CP is equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percent multiplied by SP. 100 upon 100 plus profit percent is how much? 10%. Multiplied by SP is how much? SP is 1980. 1980. This is plus. So which will be the 100 upon 110 into 1980. So your answer will be the 1800. How much? 1800. That means your CP will be how much? 1800. So these are the CP. CP how much which will be the 1800. Okay. So that means I think you have understood. If you have not understood, you can see the video in the repeat mode. Whenever you have to write down, you can take the screenshot. After that, we will see the question number 9. A shopkeeper marks his goods at a 30% above the cost price. And then gives a discount of 10%. Find his gain percent. We have to find his gain percent. Okay. So don't worry. A shopkeeper mark his good at 30% above the cost price and give the discount 10%. Find his gain percent. Okay. So we have to not given clearly CP, MP. So here we will consider. Let CP of the good will be the 100. Okay. Whenever you have not given the clearly, that time we are going to consider. So question number 9. Let CP is equal to 100. We have considered CP is the 100. Then MP is equal to 100 plus 30%. That means 130. That means 30% above the cost price. So discount is equal to discount is always given on the MP. So discount is equal to 10 upon 100 multiplied by 130. Okay, 10 upon multiplied by 130. So which will be the 13? 20 cancel. So 13 rupees is the discount. How much is the discount? 13 rupees is the discount. Then SP of the good. SP is equal to SP of goods, which will be how much? MP minus discount. How we can find the SP? MP में से discount को minus करना पड़ेगा. So which will be the 130 minus 13 is equal to 117. 117. Now gain we have to find. Gain is equal to how much is the gain? Gain SP minus CP. SP minus CP, and SP is how much? Here we have find out the SP somewhere. SP 117. CP is the 100. CP is the 100. So 17 rupees is the gain. 17 rupees is the gain. Then we have to find the gain percentage. Gain percent we have to find. Gain percent equal to gain upon gain is the 17. Gain upon CP. CP is the 100. Multiply by 100. 100 cancel. So 17%. How much percent? 17%. So gain will be the 17%. Got it now? After that we will see the next question. Question number 11. We will see the question number 11. In 11 question, we have to given that at 12% discount, the selling price of the pen is 13.20. Find its mark price. Find its mark price, and also find the new selling price of the pen if it is sold at 5% discount. Sold at the 5% discount. Okay. So here we have to not given the mark price. So we will consider here. Again, get understood the question. 12% discount, selling price of the pen. Selling price SP is given 13.20. Find its mark price. Find its mark price. Okay. So see now question number 11 we are doing. In question 11, in that question, mark price will be considered. Question 11. Mark price. Mark price will be considered, which will be the 100x. Mark price 100x. Discount is given. Discount is equal to 12%. Discount is the 12%. So SP is equal to 100x minus 100 minus 12 upon 100. Mark price we have considered the 100x. So it will be the 100 minus into 88x upon 100. Upon 100. So 100 will cancel. So which will be the 88x. 88x. Now what is given according to question? According to question. What is given in question? According to question, you have to given 88x. 88x is equal to 13.20. 13.20. Therefore, 13.20 upon 88. Upon 88. Which will be the 1320 upon 88 into 100. I have shifted the decimal to the right side and I have written it here multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Which will be the 30 upon 200 and which will be the 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20. So x value is how much? So x is equal to 3 upon 20. How much you get? 3 upon 20. Now mark price. Mark price we have considered. Mark price is equal to 100x we have considered. 100x. Which is equal to 100 into 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20. So which will be the 15. How much? 15 rupees. So mark price will be how much? 15 rupees. Because 1 the 5 the 5 3 the 15. Which will be the 15. Now new SP we will find. New SP will be the what we have to find? New SP. Okay. Equal to 15 into 95 upon 100. Why 95? Because 5% discount. Here you can write 100 minus 5%. So which will be the 15 into 95 upon 100. And which will be the how much? 14.25. You can do this calculation anywhere. So 14.25. How much is the? Because discount. Second thing. This is second one. Okay. And this is the first case. This is the first case. So discount is given in second case. Discount is 5%. So that's why 100 minus 5, which will be the 90. Got it now? So I think you have understood. If you have not understood, you can see the video in the repeat mode. If you want to write, you can take the screenshot.